Hi guys, my name is Tadas and I'm from company FastMX. What do? We refurbish shock absorbers. As far as we know, Audi community, especially Audi R8 mag rides, have some problems. And we found a solution for them. We can refurbish your shock absorbers. It may be Gen 1 or Gen 2 Audi. We can do them. Why you should consider choosing us? Because we offer 2-year warranty without mileage limitation and we stand by it. So if you have any problems, without any doubts, we will solve them. Also, we offer free worldwide shipping if you are buying a set of 4 shocks. If you are interested in our proposal, please contact us and we will give you all the information via email. And now let's go to the technical part of these shock absorbers. This is our final product. This is how shock absorber looks like after refurbishment. And refurbishment consists from a lot of different parts and processes. We do replace spring seat bushings. We repaint springs, repaint shock body and repaint spring seat. Those are repainted using powder coat painting. We also replace shafts with the new ones that are hard chrome plated, because a lot of times these shafts have scratches on the shaft, and if you just replace seals, it won't last long. We also check all the components that might be worn. Of course, nitrogen piston is also rebuilded, and we use new sealing mechanism with upgraded seals that guarantees a long-lasting life of shock absorber. So, how these shocks work? They use MR fluid. It's an oil with small metal particles that under applied current changes viscosity. So this is the stuff that we use. This coil is inside the shock, and depending on different current, it makes oil more viscous or less viscous, and that's why you have variable damping on your shock absorbers. Usually when your shock absorber starts leaking, it leaks only part of oil that are inside the shock. Those metal particles that are mixed in the oil usually stays inside because of molecule size. When the oil is leaking from the shock, it usually stiffens up. When these shock absorbers start leaking oil, that oil reaches spring seats that are made from rubber. Within the reaction with oil, these rubber parts enlarges. We have a proper working shock. That spring is seated nicely, you have to replace these also. Sometimes you will find these like this, so if they have been remanufactured before, they just usually cut some part of this rubber bushing to put it inside spring seat. We have new ones that are made up to OEM spec, and we replace those. We do use automated welding for our repair jobs that we do on site, and as you can see, these welds are nice, and if you would like to keep that OEM look of your car shock absorbers, that's why you should choose us. The last difference I would like to point out is that, as we mostly see in our competitors or Chinese built shocks, they reuse original seal head, and it seems that even the dust seal haven't been changed. As I told you earlier, we use new sealing system, and we have tested the sealing system in our shock dyno, running a long dyno session. It has done more than 1 million cycles without any problems and any oil leakage. If you watched till the end, thank you for staying with us, and if you have any questions regarding Audi R8 shocks, just drop a comment here or send us an email and we will try to answer it as clearly as we can.